Righty-ho, just a quickie before the video kicks off. I plan on doing a few videos before I go to England, so they keep, rolling while I'm away. But Saturday, I fell over, and something really bad happened to my wrist and my hand. It's a normal one, and it's the sad one. I can't close my fist very well, so I don't know when I'm going to be back in action again. And as for going to England, I mean, today's Monday. I'll see what it's like tomorrow and Wednesday, but yeah, I'll let you know what's going on. So take it easy, enjoy the video. So bye bye. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you all doing today? Good, I hope. Mr. Wonderful is feeling pretty damn good today, I must admit. It's minus 0.3 this morning. It's nearly shorts weather. Right, beautiful day though, blue skies, and yeah, loads of snow. Right, I sold one of these a couple of days ago, so I'm going to make another one. It's a 50p. I've been staining my worktops today, and I can't get it off. It's not what it looks like. Right, there you go. Oh, look at my table still. It's still looking good. No mess. Right. First of all, we need to punch a hole in it. I'm glad you're happy with your ring, Margaret. I just clear coated it, and I'll get it in the post for you Monday or Tuesday. Right, let's go for big red, shall we? Big red, lady in red. That's her. That's Margaret's ring. Look into my eyes, not round my eyes, in my eyes. Right. You will all hit the like button. You'll like it. Hit the like button. I'm in your head now. You must hit the like button. Whatever's going on. Right, okay. Sorry about that. Yes, beer, yeah. The US Mint has stopped making silver eagles. I wonder why. I think we know why, don't we? Right. I don't need that anymore. So that can go back in its little spot. I now want to clean out this edge. You just want to clean it up, make sure there's no courgettes growing in there. Yeah, I've been staining our kitchen worktops today. I mean, the guy put them in, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, but it was a bit light. We had a new kitchen floor put in, and that's quite dark. So I'm trying to get them similar colours. Oh, my girlfriend's, orders. So yeah, it ain't looking too bad. It needs another coat, but you got to wait 9 hours before you get another coat. So I'll probably be doing that about 5 o'clock tonight. My little darling comes home, but I don't want her in there when I'm doing it. Yeah, you missed a bit. Oh, this look. Do you want to do it? Oh, this is the bloody rag, you do it. I hate people looking over my shoulder when I'm trying to do something. It's horrible, isn't it? You're trying to do something and someone's looking over your shoulder. It gets my goat. Meh. Oh, that was a sheep, wasn't it? But you know what I'm talking about. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about, so if I don't, we don't stand a chance, do you? looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. There's a little red box, bottom right hand corner of the video. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And I'll be your bestest for a day or two, at least. Right, let's dry it off. Dimples is in this little position. I like this tidy sketch, it's good. Right, what are we doing? Maybe that one. So, we want this sunny side up on the ring. So that can go face down. Now a little doming block. Is that any smaller? Yeah, that's better. I'm going to get it level. Ish. Right, I think that's pretty sexy. And I'll go over. It's a big red. And I'll give it a bit of the old 6-9. 6-9. So I don't need dimples anymore. I just need one of these 17-degree folding dice. That's too small. This one should be just right. It's a bit. That's not too bad. I chuck a bit of jollop in there so things move around a bit easier. And again, get it level. I can't see Jack again. How's it looking? Is that looking level to you lot? Yeah, I think it ain't too bad, is it? But I still have to play with it. I'll never learn, you know what I mean? All right. Well, that wasn't very good, was it? Okay. Now we just want it to give a bit the old 6-9. I'll have to put this in 2 dies because it's 6-9. Otherwise it's going to go all the way through and damage the coin. What we got here? What's going on? What's it all about? Screaming and a shout. I'll go a little bit more because it won't fit in the other one yet. But some of these 50p's are bigger, or some are big, some are small. Right, that might fit now if I'm lucky. Yes, I'm lucky. Right. Beautiful. Right, let's get that sandy. Just want to clean up the edge a bit, make sure it's okie dokie. Yep, that's pretty good. Right, I'm going to warm it up again, and then we're going to stick it on spike. So I'll be back in a sec. Have it. Okay, that's annealed. And sorry to say, we're back on the bog roll. I'm out of kitchen roll. This is spike. This is ring stretcher. I think it needs a bit of maintenance. It's getting a bit loose. When the other one got loose, it broke. So you're just trying to straighten up them walls a bit and get the bow out of it. It's work hardening. So I'm going to heat it up again and I'll be back in a sec. Right, let's carry on. We just want to get the wall straight. I don't think I'll be able to go massive with this 50p, because it's quite a small coin. Some of these 50p's are quite smaller than new ones. At the end of the day, I just want to get the bow out of it. That should be out, I think. What we got? Yeah, it's just cone shaped now, which is good. So now I'm going to go down to the bottom end of the spike, or the arse end as I call it, and you're looking to just straighten the walls up. Right. Make sure it's nice and square, which it isn't. Otherwise you get a wobbly ring. And who wants a wobbly ring on a Friday? Ain't too bad. There you go. Nice and straight walls. Nice and easy, does it every time. There is a bit of a lip inside, so I'll just cut that out. Not much though. Too much soon, baby. That'll do. That's pretty sexy. Did you know if you drink Pepsi, it keeps you sexy? Not a lot of people know that, right? We're just going to get the fire scale off of it. With Kate Bush. She doesn't scratch it, it's just like Quad Zero steel wool. It just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit, makes it look gorgeous. That's what I use of this on me in the mornings. There you go. Ain't too shabby, is it? So we'll take out Kate. Now I stick in Felton John. Rocket Man. Okay. Sorry about that. It just comes out, you know. I can't help it. A bit of the old Solvol. A bit more personal. I've been looking to buy some 1 ounce copper browns, you know. There's some really good ones out there, like Freedom Girl and Don't Tread on Me, and some really good stuff. And only about $5 or $6 each. But the trouble is they come from the States and they want like $30, $40 to post it. I mean, what is wrong with you people? Why are you ripping people off for? When I ship one of these to the States, I charge €10. I'd love to see how many I sold if I was charging $40, $50 postage. And then they wonder why people don't buy. Come on guys, sort it out. Is anybody in the States watching this and would like to get some 1-ounce copper coins together for me? I mean, I don't mind you making a couple of bucks on me, you know, but Jesus, well, come on. You can get some good ones on eBay or Etsy. Gets 10, you know, 10, 15 together. I'll send you the money before you post them. I mean, I'm honest as hell. That's why I'm poor. Right, let's check the damage. He's come up quite good, I think. Yeah, very nice. Oiken Hoover. That is finished work, very good. Oiken Hoover. See, you're even getting bloody finish lessons. Jesus wept. Right, let's get a slightly cleaner cloth. I think that one's a little bit cleaner. No, it's not. This one is. No, it's not. This one's a bit better. The amount of shit that sticks on these cloths is unbelievable. I might try and patina this one later on, not on video. I don't know if I've ever tried to patina one of these. It probably wouldn't take. There you go, folks. 1 UK 50p. You got all the text on the inside. That's why I use the toilet tissue. There she is. There's Lizzie. There'll always be an England. I always think of Mrs. Bucket when I sing that. Hyacinth Bouquet. Any of you guys used to watch that? God, it's so funny. See, you can tell it's straight because it rolls straight. Right. What size we got? We've got a size. You always measure from the reader side. This is mil. Same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. This is a size 9, 9.5. Nearest, damn it. Fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for watching. Please hit the like button. Or if you don't like it, hit the don't like button. Leave a comment. Try and make someone smile today. Have a great weekend. And God willing, I'll see you in the next episode. And you lot can have this. Have it.